Hey, what is going on, guys? So here today I want to share with you my completed, finished, painted build here of the HD The Origin Gundam, the RX-78-02, and I'm super happy with how this came out. If you guys saw my work in progress video, I talked about how I was basically not doing any modification to it other than just a little bit of seam line removal here and there, and then basically just giving it a custom paint job, not the original paint job for it, not the original paint scheme, color scheme for it, but painting up in the real type Gundam color scheme. But I modified it a little bit. I made the green obviously a much lighter green on the actual like official artwork for the real type Gundam. The green is much darker, and so basically all of the colors I just kind of tweaked a little bit basically. And the white is like a little bit warmer white, the black is like just dark gray, the red is a really orangish like bright red color, which I love that color. I'm so happy with how that came out. And then that nice kind of like yellowish orangish kind of color there, slightly orangish yellow color. I just really love the way the colors came out on this. I think the decals also came out really well as well. I'm really happy with how those came out. And man, especially just the colors on the shield, it just really reminds me of like the fixed figuration version of the Gundam, how it has like the white is just that like kind of soft cream color, and then just the colors there, the red with the yellow cross and the white around there for the shield just really reminds me of like just basically if you were to just buy this off the shelf just as like the Gundam fixed figuration. No, I'm not gonna just sit here and pat myself on the back the entire time for this video, but I'm just very excited with how this came out. I think it looks great in my opinion, but you guys let me know what your thoughts are. I'm sure some of you guys prefer the colors in different ways or something like that, or you might see something that I missed, but I'm pretty sure there's no like any missed nub marks or seam lines, anything like that really. But I don't know, if you see something, let me know, I suppose. But yeah, it was a really fun project, just as something to do, you know, relatively quickly. I really enjoyed working on this kit. I would highly recommend this kit to you guys for a really fun kit to paint, because like I said, there was only really a little bit of seam line removal to do, but it's a really fun kit to paint. Just all the details that it has on there, the way that it goes together. I mean, painting this kit was really super easy to do, and you get some really great results just because the kit is so nicely detailed. And just it's such a good looking kit in general, so I would really highly recommend it for you guys if you're getting into painting, or if you know you're a painting expert, you're a painting guru who's been painting for 20, 30, 40 years. I would highly recommend getting one of these and painting it up just for a fun like weekend project or something like that. It didn't really take a whole lot of time, but I still like to take my time. It took me much more than a weekend, but it really only took like about a week or so, I guess. But you know, I like to take my time on it. All the decals and everything just takes a long time to kind of plan that stuff out and all that. But overall, I think it came out pretty good. So, but of course, the other thing that we have to look at is the two of these kits together, because these are just the first two in the set of 3 that I plan on doing as a special 40th anniversary Gunpla thing of the G40, the Origin version, and next up will be the Beyond Global. So the Beyond Global version, I'm still thinking about which paint scheme to do it in. I was thinking Shars, but now I'm thinking to do the rollout color scheme for the Beyond Global, because I think like a really super pristine white one like the Beyond the rollout colors is kind of just mostly white and it has some like silver and a little bit of red in there. I think that would look actually really good with the set of the two of these, because neither of these are actually like have straight white. This one has some white on it, but it's like kind of creamy white, but I think like a really actual like super bright white would actually look really cool. But that's really gonna be it for the time being. I guess what we could do, because we just had the announcement of the entry grade Gundam coming out later on this year as well, so maybe you'll have to extend it. Instead of doing a set of 3, maybe do a set of 4 and include the entry grade as well, and maybe paint the entry grade in like Shars colors, or maybe the entry grade just do like in just original colors, so like 1 original and then 3 different variants. I don't know, it's something I'll have to think about. We have some time before that one comes out. Beyond Global just came out, so hopefully I'll be able to get my hands on that one soon. And just as always, guys, thank you so much for your support and feedback. Love to hear back from you guys what you think of the build, what you think you like, what you didn't like, what you would have done differently, what advice you might have for how to maybe do something differently next time. I always welcome advice and feedback from you guys, so feel free to leave that down below. And yeah, I'm looking forward to getting the whole set of these together, whether it ends up being 3 or 4. I think it'll be really awesome. It'll be a really cool, just like 40th anniversary sort of tribute set that I think will be pretty awesome. So really looking forward to that, guys. Again, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for watching the work in progress too. If you guys missed that, go back and check that out. But thank you to those of you guys who did watch that and commented on that video and everything, so appreciate that. As always, guys, if you want to see more, you can subscribe to see more stuff, as always, in the future. I'm always working on more stuff. So I'll see you guys next time, and goodbye.